Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I will do a full tutorial on how to use ROBOSETS and what's so good about this ROBOSETS. So let's stay tuned. So this is a ROBOSET. ROBOSET is actually a DeFi multi-pool asset management for smart wallets. Before I even talk about this ROBOSET is actually powered by TokenSets, and let's get into the history of TokenSets. So this is TokenSets. TokenSets is actually an asset management for a DeFi world. Bring your crypto strategies to life with SET's leading portfolio management tools. So this is actually a portfolio management tool for you, whereby you can actually explore all sort of sets and you can choose or select different sets that's suitable for you. For example, if I love to use this coin share index like sets, I can actually click on it, select on it, and apply using this set on my portfolio. So it will actually use these technical tools or this technical data to help me to manage my portfolio to gain this sort of ROI or this sort of percentage. But if let's say I don't like this, I want to choose better one, I can actually choose depending on your suitability, depends on what you like, preferred. For example, if I found out that this metaverse index suits me a lot, I can actually select these sets and go for it. So there are plenty of sets here, and including there are two more, which is community sets and other sets. So it's up to you, and if you like this, then you can using all these sets. And this token set has been released for quite some time already. It has a lot of good reviews on the YouTube channel, on other influencer channel. You can actually check it out by yourself by just typing token sets. So what's so great about this ROBOSET? This ROBOSET is actually quite new compared to token sets, and what's so different compared to both of them. So you will find out today, and I will tell you why this is very interesting. So let's get started how ROBOSETs work. Okay, ROBOSETs work. You can go all the way down. You can see this is actually an intelligent trading layout, easy grabs, real-time linkage. It actually helps you to create a based on token set protocol agreement, provide a professional investment strategy to import ROBOSETs to achieve a humanized balance profit. Powerful AI multi-currency synthesis technology using Ethereum to build DeFi ecosystem and centralized hedging, providing an efficient management of your asset. So a smart pairing and so on and so forth. Easier to say how it actually earns money, help you to earn money, right? Instead of you selecting what sets you want to choose, this ROBOSET actually automatically select the best sets for you, and it will actually helps you to earn money automatically. It actually helps you to simplify everything here. Instead of you selecting one by one, it actually simplifies everything for you into one. So when you actually click on a specific token that you want to invest, then this ROBOSET will actually simplify everything, will calculate everything for you, and select the best tools for you to help you to earn money. Simple as that. So right, if you look at this PowerPoint slide, how ROBOSET actually works is, if ETH is 4,000 on exchange A, for example, exchange A is on Binance, and 390.50 on exchange B, which is maybe on Huobi, and our bot will actually automatically buy it on Huobi for 390.50 and sell it on Binance for 4,000. Our ETH amount has not changed, but our assets has increased by $50, and our bot can process 10,000 of these profitable trades per minute. So you can see here, right? This is actually the layout of this, and it shows you how ROBOSETs work. And I find this very interesting. So they actually analyze all the platforms outside and see whichever platforms that are cheaper than other one, they will actually buy there and actually sell on more expensive one, and this is how they actually generate profits for you. I actually found this very interesting and very exciting, because I don't think that there is a platform outside that does similar works like this. So that's the reason why I actually recommend this. If you guys haven't actually tested it out, I'll put down the link also so you guys can actually register for one ROBOSETS account. And the good thing is ROBOSETS actually works on App Store and also Google Play Store. You can actually click on it and actually have a look on it. Okay, so let's get started. I'll do a full tutorial like I said. So I'll make this very easy for you. And for example, I have Android right now and I have iPhone, so I'll actually use Android to do the recording. So let's get started. As you can see here right now, I have token sets on my Android, and when I click on it, I actually have an account already. And you can see if I go to my wallet, this is my account. Of course, if you don't have like I say, you don't have an account yet, I'll put down the link so you guys can register. So when registered, you have a similar page like me. Okay, so under the page you have wallet. Under the wallet there on the left side you have transactions, you have teams, and you have markets. So let's get into the market. So you can see right, market, you have USD, you have USDT, you have BTC, you have ETH, you have Litecoin, you have DOT and Doge. For this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial, I will use USDT for example. As you can see here, USDT, you can actually select the days. It looks like a very similar to staking, where you can actually select the days that you want, and different days will have different sort of estimated monthly income. For example, if I select 15 days, you will have an estimated monthly income up to 45%, which is very huge. Of course, if you select more, then you will have better estimated income. So let's test USDT. Okay, for example, for this sake, like I said, I will use USDT, and in order for me to use this, I need to go into wallet and I need to make sure that I have USDT to start it off. And right now you can see I actually have USDT here. I have 134 USDT. Okay, for example, if you are a beginner and if you have already logged in and you don't have anything here, first thing is you need to click this recharge button on the top. Okay, after you click this recharge, you can see on the top here there is digital currency recharge and also currency recharge. So if you are a Malaysian user, then you can actually use also currency recharge. For example, if you haven't actually purchased any USDT yet, you can actually purchase USDT directly from this platform. So for example, if I want to purchase 500 ringgit worth of USDT, I will just click confirm payment and it will actually link to the banks around Malaysia. For example, Maybank, PNB Bank, you can actually select one of them, and for example here, it will actually bring me to the apps here where you can actually select the banks that you want. So once you actually completed the banks, the local bank transactions, then you will get the USDT straight away from this platform. Okay, which is very cool. But let's say if you have USDT from other platform like Binance or Huobi or whatsoever, and you want to transfer it over here, then you can actually just select the coin type, for example USDT or BTC or ETH, for example USDT. Then make sure that you see the currency is only in TRC20. You need to make sure that, and for example for this I just want to transfer 50 USDT. So what I need to do right now, I just need to click confirm. So once I click confirm, right, you will see there is a QR code where you need to just scan the QR code, or there is the account number where you need to copy paste to Huobi, and your Huobi need to transfer the money to here. So let's try it out. I actually have the Huobi here. I will transfer 50 USDT to show you guys how to actually send money over. So I have my wallet ready right now, and I need to hide all my balances so you can see. Right now I need to go to spot. I need to look for USDT, and I have withdraw button down there where I need to click the withdraw button, and you can see, right, I can actually enter or paste address. On the right side you can see a contact book, some sort of icon, and you can see there is a scan QR code. I just need to scan the QR code, and I just scan the QR code, and you can see the address is automatically there. But if let's say if you don't have another phone, you can just copy the address from the Android phone and paste it to the iPhone, which is Huobi, and make sure the network is on TRC20. So right now I will just minimum withdraw amount, just put 50. Be exact, I just put 51 because you need 1 USDT for the fees, you see. So I just click withdraw, I click confirm. I need to do all this SMS stuff. So hold on, I will do it right now. Okay, so once I've done this, you can see that the withdraw order submitted successfully, meaning that I'm actually transferring my 50 USDT from my Huobi to token sets. Okay, so that's the reason why I actually need the token sets address to place it on Huobi, and I'm sending right now 50 USDT from Huobi account to token sets. So right now I just need to wait for the money be transferred over here, and I will show you guys next what really happened. Okay, so right now you have already see that I've actually received the 50 USDT on my available balance right here, and you can see my data actually have $184 right now. So the next thing that I need to do here is I need to go into the market and select the sets that I want. So since I have USDT, I can select 1 day, okay, or you can select 15 days, up to you. And I have 50 USDT, so I can actually put 50 USDT here. And right now I just need to put my password. Okay, so once I've done putting my password, you can see that the robot is being configured, the exchange is being obtained, pound is being located. So once the robot is actually help you to manage your 50 USDT, and you can see the intelligent robot configuration is being completed. So you can see right under the transaction, there is the 50 USDT here, where you will have a 1 day cycle. So your 1 day cycle will be ended on the 14th of March, which is tomorrow, 1:40 p.m. And you can see right, there is a day countdown on top of that. So you can see 23:59 going all the way down, and you can see that this token set or this robot set is actually helping you to earn some profit right now. So you can see the below right, I actually selected 15 days. So you can see that I actually put $126 inside, and within 5 days, because I actually selected 15 days, and you can see it already left 10 more days left. And within 5 days, it actually helped me to earn about $8.78 already, which is a very, very huge amount. So I could say, right, if you are counting monthly, right, it could earn for you about 45%, which is actually helps you to earn a lot of money. Okay, not 45% per day, it's 45% per month. So it's very, very high. And I would say that I would actually recommend you to actually test it out. It's actually very, very easy to use. You just need to put in your money here and then select the market that you want. Depends on how many days you want. And then just wait for the countdowns to end, and then you will see the daily profit is keep on generating easily. And of course, the team here, if you want to invite friends, you can actually invite more friends here and to gain more benefits. Okay, so to actually conclude this, right, I have been testing this for many, many days. I actually put in 100 USDT early before I actually do this recording. And from the $100, I just put in 15 days, I actually get $126. So it's about 25% profit within 15 days. So if I add another 15 days, it's about 50 USDT. So it's about how many percent? 50%. 50% profit within 30 days is crazy. Even I don't think even staking can do it, because staking is only up to maybe 8% per year or maybe 9% per year. But this is very, very different. This is not staking. This is actually the robots actually helps you to actually manage your portfolio using the way that actually talks to you, where they actually select and find the cheaper price outside from a different platform and then sell it on a higher price platform. And this is very, very interesting. Okay, so to conclude this, I definitely would recommend these ROBOSETS. And if you want to know more about it, I actually mentioned many times. I'll put down the link. I'll put down my referral link also, so you guys can register under me to get more benefits. And yeah, definitely you should test it out. This is actually the first time I actually very recommend you guys to actually check it out by yourself, because this is very interesting. So this is my full tutorial. It's actually very straightforward, and I'll see you guys soon, and goodbye, man.